All right, guys, this is the 64th hired request on the 2018 list. Robbie Williams' Eternity. It's a piano cover arrangement. Let's take a listen. And so forth. Well, guys, we'll do the part one lesson right here, right now. And all the lessons for this are, of course, on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Over 5,000 lessons and counting on there over the past 12 years. I've been teaching for over 30 years, so quite a wealth of piano learning on there for you. I even have beginner lessons, 79 beginner lessons if you guys are complete beginners, or you just need a refresher course, or you need to get used to my method with the whiteboard using letters and chords. But here we go. We start off with an F major 7. You know, an F chord has F, A, C. Well, if you add an E in there, it makes it major 7. 1 and 2 and 3. So we have A, C, E, A in the right. We're going to roll it up. The left hand will go F, C, F, G, A. 5, 2, 1, crossover. And then the right hand will play G there at the end. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1. Next measure is an E minor chord. Well, it's really, we could call it a G add 6 because of the G bass. But you have an E minor chord on the right if you just look at that. G, B, E, roll it up. Left hand has G, D, G, A, B. When you play the B, right hand will play a D. E, bum. Then you play E with the fifth finger, and then you get to an A chord in the next measure. C sharp on the right hand, A in the left, A, E, then the right hand, A, B, C sharp, D, B, B, C sharp. Let's start from the beginning and put all that together. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2. Next measure, 1 and 2. You see some small writing there. That's for when we do a repeat. We'll have a different chord there, but not this time. Just play the big letters. A, B, C sharp. We'll roll it up a little bit like that. Just gently. Left hand A, E, then the right hand comes in C sharp, E, then left hand A, right hand C sharp, E, A, left hand A, right hand B, E, left hand E. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again from the beginning. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1. That'll get you started, guys, and of course we do the whole thing on webpianoteacher.com. We'll have many lessons for that. I'll hold your hand all the way through it, teach you everything about it, all the chords and the rhythms, and we'll have a lot of fun. webpianoteacher.com. Talk to you guys later.